playing with stench blossoms, so Marshall can give them a bath with his water cannons. Help Tracker follow the path and find the way using his super hearing. Which pup ability should you... Way to go! Find and collect all the pup treats that you can. There's a golden paw print close by. You found a golden paw print. See if you can find them all. To pull the rope to the left, move the left stick. Go quickly. You have to get through the path before it closes. Keep collecting pup treats whenever you find them. Great job! We're almost there! There's a maze here! Tracker can use his super hearing to follow the sound trail of the monkeys to the end of the maze. Use Tracker's super hearing. All right, here we go! Tracker can use his amazing hearing to find his way through the maze. Press the X button. That's it! Now follow the sound trail to find the exit to the maze. You got the golden paw print. Collect all of the golden paw prints that you find. Remember, you can help Tracker hear the way by pressing the X button. Perfect! You help Tracker to get through the maze and find the path to the monkeys. Collect all the help Tracker to find where the stinky monkeys are along the path. Tracker needs to get across the water. We need Zuma to use his hovercraft. Pick the pup ability that will help. All right, now we can keep moving. Find all the pup treats that you can. Choose which pup ability. Great job! There's a golden paw print nearby. A golden paw print. You got it. See if you can find them all. Great! You helped Tracker pick up the monkey's trail with his super hearing. Now Marshall needs to reach them and use his water cannons to give them a bath. Marshall! We're about halfway to the end. Collect all the pup treats in a mission to earn special pup treat awards. Pick the pup ability that you need to... Awesome! got the pup treats! Find all the pup treats that you can. I'm detecting a golden paw print somewhere nearby. You found a golden paw print. Collect all of the golden paw prints that you find. Keep collecting pup treats whenever you find them. Pick the pup-ability. You did it! To pull the rope to the left, move the left stick. Go quickly. You have to get through the path before it closes. Find and collect all the pup treats that you can. Great job! We're almost there. There's a golden paw print nearby. You got the golden paw print. You collected all of the pup treats on this rescue mission. Which pup ability should you use? Perfect! Aim the water stream by moving the left stick.